I understand kasama rin po yung stipulations sa pre-trial conference. Meron na po bang napag-agrihan ang prosecution and the defense? Of course, aside from yung very general lang na the vice president is the sitting vice president, kasama rin kasi yon. And she's from Davao, yung mga ganun. Pero any salient agreements po, meron po ba kayo na pagkasunduan with the defense in terms of stipulation of facts po? Thank you.
Well, pasensya na po kayo dahil limited lang po ang pwede namin sabihin. Basta't lahat po ng mga agreements po namin ay sinumiti na po namin ito sa impeachment court.
Pero sir, for the record, meron po kayong napag-agrihan, at least, with the defense?
Meron naman po, pero hanggang doon lang po pwede namin sabihin.
Opo. Saka sir, follow up dun sa asking the defense to specify the purpose of presenting the witnesses. Ang motion niyo po ba will be filed before the Senate Impeachment Court asking the Senate Impeachment Court to order the defense to specify the purpose? Ganun po ba yung mangyayari?
Well,
Paano
it
po
is
ba?
beyond our power already to resolve that motion, no? It depends on the impeachment court on how they will appreciate the motion. But our concern merely is to make the purpose for each witness more specific.
Ma'am, gaano po ba ka-importante na specific yung detalye sa pag-present ng isang witness? For the public lang to understand na hindi pwedeng general lang na to dispute the allegations. Thank you.
Of course, it has been shared already that a lot of witnesses of the prosecution were adopted by the defense, no? So we would like to be enlightened for what purpose are they or will they be presented by the defense so that we will understand the nature of the testimony to be presented by the witnesses. It is possible that there is one witness, different purposes. And I think that will be best illustrated in this case. As I have said, a lot of witnesses of the prosecution, particularly those which the people have seen in the hearing of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, and even in the hearing of the Committee on Justice, were included as well in the list of witnesses of the defense, no? So we assume that they will be presented for a different purpose other than the purpose of the prosecution, and that's why we want to be enlightened. And besides, that is under the rule to provide a short summary of the nature of the testimony which will be provided by each witness.
Okay, Rosalie, your turn.
Dun,
We will allow one more
Sorry.
follow-up.
Related lang po doon, kailangan nyo rin po ba nung specifics kasi it's very important for your cross-examination. Would that be correct?
It's important for the entire presentation of that particular witness. Not only for cross, but even for direct, cross, redirect, and recross.
Okay, Rosalie, your turn now.
Good afternoon po. Rosalie Cos po of UNTV News. Kongs, tatanong lang po namin, you're asking for 4 more days para po sa pre-trial conference. Is that correct?
So, ang hinihingi po namin hanggang Sabado sana. 4 days. So, kasi we understand na hanggang Wednesday lamang, hanggang Thursday lamang ang opisina ng Senado. So, sana mapagbigyan kami na pati Biyernes at saka Sabado ay maisama po nila.
Alright. Since last week po until yesterday, confident po kayo na on track na mauumpisahan yung impeachment trial on July 6. Pero dahil po sa development na ito, are you still confident?
Yes, we remain confident at umaasa naman kami na kung wala naman po magiging aberya, tuloy-tuloy lamang po ang marking ng ebidensya.
But if the pre-trial conference will push until next week, will you still be on track? For example, if the Senate impeachment court will not hindi po nila pagbibigyan yung request nyo po na pati po Friday and Saturday ay extend ang pre-trial conference?
What is important is for the pre-trial order to be issued before July 6, no? And it must be issued at the maximum 10 days after termination of pre-trial conference. It can be less than 10 days after termination, but the maximum should be 10 days after termination of PTC. Dapat meron ng pre-trial order, no? So, nevertheless, we are not entertaining that possibility. We are pushing for the termination of pre-trial conference this week, and that is why we have reached out to Secretary Bantug for two possible additional measures, yung nabanggit ni Kong Joel Chua. One is deploying additional teams for the marking of exhibits, perhaps from 4 going 8, and then providing additional days from including Friday and Saturday to be able to finish all the marking this week.
Pero kung nabanggit nyo po kahapon, kulang po ang defense team sa tao po nila compared po dun sa prosecution panel. So, choice pa rin ba yung pagde-deploy ng additional teams kung kulang po yun pong inyo pong counterpart?
So it will depend on the impeachment court. I hope that they will be able to confer and convince the defense team to provide additional lawyers to attend to the marking of exhibits, considering the possible additional measures which will be adopted by the impeachment court.
Last on my part na lang po, ito pong hindi pagpayag ng defense team na markahan po yung pong pare-pareho nyo pong exhibits and witnesses. Do you think this is an attempt to delay po the process?
I do not want to speculate, no? Basta ang kaya ko lang i-share sa inyo, possible na one document, 2 markings. It's happening in the court, no? But of course, it is within the prerogative also of the defense if they want to have their own documents marked, separate from the documents of the prosecution, notwithstanding the fact that they are exactly the same.
So bakit po kaya?
Marian, your turn.
Kong, bakit po kaya ganun sa tingin ninyo yung ginagawa ng defense na gusto nila may separate marking pa when in fact parehong documents lang naman?
Well, that is their prerogative. Pero kagaya nga po ng binanggit ng ating chair na ayaw naman po namin na mag-speculate kung ano po ang kanilang dahilan.
Chair, you mentioned earlier yung possibility po ng pag-open ng BIR box at the soonest possible time. Are we looking at parang pag-open pa lang po, pag-convene ulit ng impeachment court, matakal na sana po pati itong box?
It depends on the impeachment court because I believe that this is significant also to be considered for the purpose of supporting or determining the veracity of the allegation of the unexplained wealth, amassing unexplained wealth, non-disclosure in the SALN, and non-divestment of other transactions and undertaking, no? As a matter of fact, we would have wanted it open during the proceeding of the Justice Committee, except that we expressed also our apprehensions about the possibility of violating some provisions of law, particularly the National Internal Revenue Code, which was cited by Commissioner Charlie Mendoza when he testified in the Justice Committee.
So even if pangdulo pa po yung ating unexplained wealth article na itatakal?
Yung sa amin, no, we wish to express our position about the BIR box. If we will really decide to file the necessary manifestation on this, we will be submitting to the impeachment court kung ano man magiging resolution nila on the matter.